Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Preferred Equipment Group 1SB, Rear View Camera, Ride and Handling Suspension, Side Blind Zone Alert, Cross Traffic Alert, Leather Steering Wheel with Auto Tilt-Away, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 6-way Power Driver Seat Adjuster, OnStar Emergency Communication System, Safety Package, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.